If you have attempted to lose weight multiple times, you might want to stick around for this video, because I am a woman who has attempted to lose weight in the past 5 years and consistently failed until I didn't fail anymore. I recently lost 50 pounds, and I hope this tip helps you. So a lot of times we overestimate our capacity for doing things. Let me explain. I thought that if I wasn't going to the gym 5 days a week, then this wasn't going to work. Or if I wasn't going running every day, that this wasn't going to work. But I was drastically wrong. My brain needed novelty, meaning I go to the gym one day, I walk one day. I go to the gym the next day, I walk the next day. For my brain, it tricked it into thinking that we were basically not creating discipline. I was severely undisciplined. And if you're undisciplined, this applies to you as well. Instead of trying to use discipline to create consistency, I use consistency to create discipline. Meaning, I didn't like the idea of waking up every morning and going to the gym. But I did like the idea of waking up and going to the gym, and then waking up the next morning and going walking, and then doing the gym again. My brain was like, okay, we can do that. That doesn't sound stressful. That doesn't sound overwhelming. We could do that, and then it sounds fun. The days, not in recent times, but the days when I would try to do gym, even with that schedule, see, by day 3, my brain was like, we can't be here another day. We can't be here another day, and you can't do this to us. Find something else to do. So instead of forcing myself, and I'm not saying you have to do gym walk. Yours could be walk, swim, or, I don't know, at home workout, then swim, or at home workout, then bike ride the next day, or something like that. But use your undisciplined mind to create consistency, so then it will become disciplined. Because if you try to trick yourself by saying, I'm going to be disciplined and going to the gym every single morning, it registers that as a negative thing. So you get more resistance. I found creating that novelty decreases the amount of resistance and helps me to go. And this is a schedule I've been consistent with for 2.5 years now. Again, I've lost 50 pounds and I still have more weight to lose. I have more to go. But I thought about, like, how many people are thinking they're failures when the standard go to the gym 5 to 6 days a week just isn't working for the way their brain operates. Now, I'm not saying in the future that you can't do the gym, but there's something in your mind that's like, I don't like this. Like, I don't like this activity. And if you can address the root cause, then you can fix the symptom. So, drop a fire emoji if this helped you. And yeah.